I'm Beth, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today I'm making Christmas sugar cookies. To start, add 1 cup of butter to your mixer. Cream your butter till it's nice and smooth, then add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Now add 1 egg, and if it seems like it's not mixing very well, you may need to scrape the bowl. Now add half a teaspoon of almond extract and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add 2½ cups of flour. When your flour is all mixed in, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. When that is fully incorporated, go ahead and lay down a sheet of plastic wrap, then dump your cookie dough on top, roll it up, and throw it in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes. While our dough is in the fridge, let's make the icing. Start with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Add to it 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of almond extract, then throw in there a good amount of powdered sugar. Now add your milk as needed. We want it runny, but we don't want it too runny because it'll just run off our cookies. But if it's too thick, we won't be able to work with it. So you gotta find that perfect balance. Now that our cookie dough is nice and firm, we'll start to unroll it and then set it aside. Then we need to take our powdered sugar, sprinkle it on our rolling surface, put a little in your hand, and rub it all over your rolling pin. This just prevents it from sticking to our rolling pin. Place your cookie dough in the middle of your powdered sugar and get rolling. You want it to be about 1/4 inch thick because if it is any thinner than that, it'll just break apart when we try and ice it, and any thicker will just take too long to bake. Now grab your Christmas cookie cutters and cut out the shapes. Now bake those in the oven for about 6 minutes or until the edges are just lightly browned. While those are baking, we're going to work on our icing. I'm going to start by separating mine into 4 separate bowls for all of my colors that I'm doing. Go ahead and add 4 drops of blue into one bowl, 5 drops of red in another, 4 drops of green in the next, and in the last bowl do 2 drops of both red and green. If we do any more than that, the colors will mix and make a nasty color. Go ahead and take toothpicks and mix each bowl with a separate toothpick, otherwise the colors will mix. And try not to mix it too much, otherwise every time you dip in a cookie, it'll just be blue and not swirly. This here is what happens when you add too much dye and overmix the double colored. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do what I did. It's not worth it. Go ahead and let your cookies cool for about 5 minutes, and then you can make an icing by just dipping it in the icing. And it turns out gorgeous. It's so much easier than trying to decorate it all by hand, right? I should rename this video, How to Keep Your Sanity While Making Christmas Cookies. Here are my finished Christmas cookies, which turned out amazing with so much less effort. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.